Hi everyone, this video is for the introduction of FrameCE user interface. There are two groups of buttons that you need to know when creating your model. The buttons to the left are for viewing. So when you are zooming in or zooming out and you panning view or change different views of your model, so you will have to click one of the buttons to the left. When creating your model or designing the members, then you have to click one of the buttons to the top. This is for modeling and designing the frame members. Okay, and then now when you start project, you need to indicate your location. If you are in Australia or New Zealand, then you have to choose Australia and then OK. So you will notice here that the image changed to Australian flag. Now if you are in the Philippines, you have to choose Philippines, and then you will also notice here that the image shows the Philippines flag, which means that you will be using the Philippine standard. And once you start creating your project, you can no longer change your location. And if you want to change location, then you have to restart FrameCE and then choose another location. So let's start creating a project here. Click the Files menu and then New Project. What you will see here are the templates for creating your frame model. Now you have to initialize your frame model. And then you can change the dimensions later. Okay, so click OK button, and then the next thing I need to do is to declare the load cases. By default, there are two load cases, did load and live load, and these are all present when you start a project. Now to add load cases, then click this add load case button, and then you have to type the load case name and indicate whether it's a primary or a combination load case. Now if this is a primary load case and then includes the self weight, then you have to check the include self weight, and if it's not, then untick this checkbox. Okay, then add. Now you will notice here that I have a new load case, which is WinLoad. I will add another load case for combination load case and say, for example, it's for 1.2 did load plus 1.5 live load, and then declare the load factors here 1.5, but since WinLoad is not part of this load combination, then I don't have to type anything here. And then click add button and then click exit. Now I have my initial model here. Then I can click this button to show the element as 3D elements and turn it off by clicking this button again. So there you are. I have now the initial frame, and I will create another video for continuing this model. So at this time, I hope you enjoy this introduction and have fun.